Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today in this video, we are going to learn how to set up an email on Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, you just need to type Mail and you will find an app called Mail, which is a built-in app of Microsoft. So I'll just click on that and a new window will appear like this. Since I have already signed in with my email of Outlook, it's giving me the email option here. So let's say if you want to change it and if you want to add an email or configure an email here in Windows 11 Mail, you just need to click on this settings icon. So once you click on that, at the very top right hand corner, you will find manage accounts. So here we need to click, and at the bottom we have add account. So once we click on that, we get an option for Outlook, Office, Google, Yahoo, iCloud, or other account. So if you want to add a Gmail account, you just need to click on Google, and here it's connecting to the service. The best part is you just have to log in. So here you just need to enter your email, you need to click on next, and it will ask you to enter the password. And the moment you do it, it will